Yeah. So now we're sitting at, well, each one of the batteries is 690 cold cranking amps. So that would be what, like maybe 1,300 cold cranks? Ooh. We don't want to get that trademark on YouTube. So your idle voltage with your alternator running is 14.6 volts. And I know, yeah, it's weird because it's a 12 volt battery, but with your alternator charging your battery, it's a little higher when the truck is running. So this truck has seen some time on the road. We're sitting at 291,863 miles. Yeah. She's seen some days. But this morning, I was not a smart person. And I drove this truck yesterday. Got the CB radio in here. I got the... I drove this truck yesterday at night, and I left the lights on when I came in the house. And my battery was just like, nope, I'm done. And I tried to jump it with my battery charger, and it didn't work. And I hope you can't hear that squealing. But anyway, I took the green truck and I jumped it, and I drove it to the parts store, and I got 2 new batteries. I guess I technically got one from AutoZone and one from O'Reilly, but you know. This one's a Superstart. But they're both new batteries. And they're both the same cold cranking amps. So it's not like it's going to be anything weird. But hey, the headlights are a lot brighter. That's good. Anyway, I got YouTube video number 3. The green truck sitting there. I had to use it this morning, but you know,